If you want to get a live wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case we will need to use a third-party app that allows us to get a live wallpaper. So in my case I'm gonna go to the Play Store, and of course over here we can type something like live wallpaper in order to try to find an app that of course provides these live wallpapers for us. In my case I'm gonna use the Zedge app. This is an app that I have been using before, so I'm quite familiar with it. But of course, feel free to try any other app if you don't like this one, or if you want to try just something else. And once we install the app, then of course we want to open it. There we go. So let's open it. And you might see, of course, some ads in the meantime, but the app is free. At least some content is free. Some of the content is unfortunately paid. Now over here we don't have to agree to notifications, we can close this premium offer quite easily, there we go. And now over here we can switch to video wallpapers, and over here we can try to find a wallpaper that we wish to set up. So let's say we can go through these categories and try to find something that we might want to use. And let's say if I like this wallpaper over here, then what I can do now is I can try to get the wallpaper. In this case we can either use credits that we have on our account. We get 10 credits by default, so we can immediately spend that, or you can just watch an ad and just wait to receive the wallpaper. After that we're gonna choose set video wallpaper, and then we can press set wallpaper again. We can choose to set it for the home screen or home screen and lock screen. I'm just gonna set it for home screen only. Over here we can close this information, and let's see if it's set. There we go, it's actually working just fine. As you can see, now we have an animated live wallpaper. It might be better to actually use the tablet in the portrait mode with these wallpapers, unless of course you find a cool wallpaper in the landscape mode. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.